How to easily do the airplane mode glitch on Monopoly Go. Now, the airplane mode glitch on Monopoly Go is just by basically resetting on a specific position or a specific multiplier points that you will be getting once you roll the dice. So say for example, this is not yet on airplane mode. But if you set your phone as on airplane mode and then you play the game, and if you do not want those points that you got on rolling those dice, then what you want to do is just by simply quitting or disconnecting the game. And once you have disconnected the game, you can go ahead and turn off the airplane mode, log back the game in, and you should be able to reset where your original position was. So that's actually resetting all the points that you have before turning off the airplane mode. So basically, say for example, we will be turning on our airplane mode. Now, once your airplane mode is turned on, you can go ahead and still play the game. You can still roll the dice. You can increase your multipliers by maximum to 5. And then if you don't want those points that you have accumulated while the airplane mode is turned on, you can just simply disconnect the game and turn off the airplane mode again. So that's it. That's how it works. That's how you easily do the airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go.